Hi, welcome to Yarn Again. My name is Teresa, and this is the pretty blue bag that Annie's Crochet Club comes in. In all honesty, most of the club kits come in this one, excluding the kit for the Christmas ornaments. The other ones, I do believe, come in. The adult needlecraft kits come in this blue bag. This is the Caring Crochet Kit Club for April. This came a couple weeks ago, but I haven't had the opportunity to film this, and I wanted to share it with you today. This kit club runs approximately $19 a month, plus shipping. And this is the kit for this month. It's Little Lamb Blanket Kit. However, I do think this blanket is a little too small for having a baby other than a couple weeks old. It's 18 by 14 inches when completed. So I would think it would be a very lovely stroller blanket. I always had a blanket on made just perfect for the stroller when my child was small. And this kit is intended, when you belong to this kit, they send you this little card with an address on it in case you want to send your make to this facility that they're collecting for that could use these for the less fortunate. And they give you an envelope, but I don't know what that's for, because it's clearly not that. This is a beginner kit, an easy level. Finishes, like I said, 14 by 18 inches wide, long. It's a gauge of 4 inches, 13 I don't know what that means. I think it's 4 inches for every 12 stitches, 13 rows for every 4 inches. I get it. This kit is so adorable. Look at that. It kind of looks, I don't know. I can't really tell what kind of stitch it is there. Look at this little sheep. Ooh, lamb. That's so cute. I could see that being made bigger for like placemats for Easter without the heart on it. Or you could take the head, the legs, and the tail and the heart off, and it could be a cloud. Sorry, that's how my mind thinks. In this kit, you get all the yarn you need to make the lovely little blanket. You get the yellow. You get the gray. No. This is gray. It kind of looks like green. Oh, sorry, I keep dropping it. Kind of looks green to me, but it's like an ecru gray. Let's see what color they're calling this. 100% acrylic, 4 ounces, 204 yards. It is a medium 4. Tumble dry, cool wash. There is no color. Nope, no color. It's more of an ecru than a boring gray. This is like a greeny gray. You get 2 of those skeins. You get 1 of the yellow. They're all the same stats except for the ounces and the yardage, meaning they're all 100% acrylic. They're all super soft. They're all machine washable. They're all machine dryable at a cool temperature. This one has 102 yards, as it is the surrounding, and it is the little heart. Then you get the white for the little sheep. This is the same thing with, I think it said 51 yards. It's a number 4, 1 ounce, 100% acrylic. Again, super, super soft. And black. We need the black for the eyes. Not the eyes. I'm already giving them eyes. The black for the head and the feet and the little tail. And that is your kit for April. It does come in a clear plastic bag. No, it's not reusable. It is just a cellophane bag. And it comes in this blue bag, which I tend to keep because the little bag it came in has a tendency to rip. If you are a MaryMaxim kit club or purchaser, you will know they give you the reusable bags. These tend to fall apart Nothing against Annie's. I like Annie's products, otherwise I wouldn't be ordering them though. But I just suggest when you open your package to open it carefully and use this as your project bag, because if you are like me, I like to have all my stuff color coded or oriented to the product that it came from. Like MaryMaxim is in the clear bags. Annie's Attic is in this bag, or it's in this bag, because this is my Christmas ornament of the kit of the month, and that's why that one comes with the paintbrush on it. But I always know when I see this one, this is my Christmas ornaments that I better get moving on, because the other one's going to be here soon. That's how I think. And then I get this blue one, and I go, that's the carrying kit, because those are the only two I get. My son does get the Irish quilt crochet kit, and his does come in the blue bag as well, but he's in his own place, and you know, he keeps his in his way. He keeps his, I don't know, but mine is kept in the blue bag as a small project. I haven't started it yet, nor am I going to start it right away. I will be doing this one just because I think it's so adorable. I just wish I knew somebody having a baby, but I'll send it to the place that they are requesting probably. But that's when I get it done, because I have a little bit of other things that I got to catch up on my list. And if you watch my channel, you know what they are. And yes, Sophie is still being punished, and she's in a box. That's all I'm saying. And the King's coronation is this Saturday, because I am recording this on May 1st. And I have yet to do the second square. I am a little behind. It should have been done last week. But I fell apart with other things, so we're getting caught up. Life is not about what you do, it's how you do it, and it's how you treat others. It's more how you treat others. So if you do something well with a warm heart, it's good. And if you do something it's worth doing, you do it the best you can. You don't do anything halfway. That's why I'd rather put it down and wait, and then I will come back and finish it if I have to. That is okay with me. The only person I have to please is God. And I, on that note, hope you like my channel. If you are a subscriber and you are returning, I do appreciate you coming back. If you haven't yet subscribed, if I haven't totally deterred you in any way, because my videos aren't the most professional in the world, I would like it if you join the family and have some fun, because there will be laughter. There probably will be a few tears on my part. Maybe on yours, because I will make you cry with how bad I do these videos. Anyway, if you could give me a thumbs up, I'd appreciate that. And let me know, would you do this blanket? Do you think this blanket is a good size for a baby at 14 inches by 18 inches? Or do you think it's just meant for NICU? It could be meant for NICU. I'm not sure. It sounds right as I was saying it just now. And like I was saying, when my son was a baby, we had my mom made Afghans like crazy. And bless her heart, she made one for his stroller so that when he was laying down, it would perfectly cover him up. And back then in the 80s, the straps, they didn't have the fancy blankets with the strap holes. Mom made the blanket so it would fit him over the straps and everything, so it wasn't dragging on the ground outside when we were strolling him around. And then she would always make one. I don't know if y'all do this now. I don't think you do, but when my son was little, she made one for the back of the cart for when we get into Sam's Club of grocery stores, because if it was nap time, I'm sorry, I still have to go to the grocery store. So we'd throw them in there, because back when he was young, we didn't have car seats to bring everywhere. You kept the car seat in the car. At least I did. And then because they were big, and my kid laid down in the back of the cart. We had 2 carts, so we kept the stuff up at the top. TMI, sorry. Thumbs up if you like this video, thumbs down if you didn't like my story. And I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the YouTube streets. And thanks again for your patience, your time, and coming by.